Glitz Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from going out. I haven't gone out since the whole pandemic. So I went to a comedy show with my sisters and my mom, and yeah, I just got back. We went to dinner. Let's see, let me get my ponytail together. Make sure it's, this part right here is bothering me. Like, can you stay still, please? 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 Pretty please? Okay, guys, I have so much to film. Let me show you guys all this stuff I have. So I have this boxy charm. I have also this TrendMood that has been through the fire. And then I also have, I thought I had something else. I have a Walmart box. I have a Sunday Riley Vox box. This I'm going to do a skincare Sunday video for, though. And I have a Walmart box somewhere. What did I do with it? I mean, honestly, it wasn't even really worth showing, but I was up here, so I was going to show it anyway. Okay, so let's do, I'm going to do them both. So let's do a little thumbnail here. So, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the TrendMood box. So clearly it got jacked up, but let's see what is in here. Now, I actually didn't order this. My sister Lauren ordered it because I think this is the skincare box. But yeah, so let's see what's in here. Yeah, this is the skincare one. Okay, so comes like this, just to show you guys. And I'll show you all the products that are in it. I'll put the price, I think it's $30 maybe, or $40. Okay, so the first thing is hand sanitizer, 80% alcohol. So this is just an alcohol spray bottle. And then the next thing is, this is so heavy. Okay, this is Boscia, and this is exfoliating body cleanser. Oh, that's cool. Because like if you have acne or something or whatever, but like I get dry skin all over, so that's good if it's for your body. The next thing is body deodorant, all over body deodorant. Is this a, let me open this. Is this a spray or a roll-on? Oh, it's, how do you use this? Squeeze tube over and glide directly onto underarms, bust, inner thigh, wherever needing a smooth matte finish. Inner thigh? What? How do you work this? Oh, it's like a gel deodorant. Okay, so you squeeze it up and then put it, they're saying, your bust. Smells like maybe like a clean scent. Maybe with like cucumbers or something. You guys like my glam today? This is Hot Kitty Beauty on my lids and Hot Kitty Beauty lashes in the style of Boudoir. I will put the link if you guys want to check that out. Then next thing is firming body serum. Okay, so this is all body stuff. This isn't face stuff. You put it on your body. And then this, my sister said she was really excited about. The last thing is the foot peel. So it peels your feet. This is disgusting. Oh my God, look at the feet peeling off. Okay, so an intensely effective peeling foot treatment mask that helps break down and peel away rough, tough layers of skin. Fits up to men's size 12. Prior to using foot peel, thoroughly clean and soak feet in warm water to soften skin for 15 minutes. Open foil pack and remove Fitted booties. Oh, okay, so these are booties. Cut along the dotted line of each booty with scissors. Gently slide 1 foot into each booty. Note each booty contains mesh lining to ensure your foot is inserted. Oh my gosh, must leave on for 90 minutes. Do not move around on feet while wearing booties. Okay, so maybe you should do this like laying down when you sleep or something. But it says 90 minutes. But I'm not like off my feet for 90 minutes usually. Well, maybe if I'm like working or something. And I am working from home. But this is cool. I think I want to try this. Yeah, I think I want to try this. This is cool. But yeah, so that's cool. Okay, so that's the TrendMood box. I'm sure it has a crazy high retail value because that Bosch stuff is not cheap. Okay, next I have the BoxyCharm. So I know everyone got a white box, but my thing said Boxy Luxe shipped and was delivered. So that's this. But everyone got a white one. So I don't, well, I guess I'm not in PR or whatever because my Boxy Luxe is black. So I was seeing everyone was getting white ones, but my sister got a white one and hers got broken into. They stole her foundation. They opened the stuff. They took her card. I was like, oh my God. So I have a card here. So yeah, I'm not gonna read it. Let's just look and see what we got. So the first thing I see is this palette, which I heard this palette is not good. But what is the brand on here? bbeautylondon.com. Okay, so it has a glitter eyeshadow. So yeah, I hear horrible things about this palette. I mean, it looks cute. Kind of. Yeah, it looks kind of cute, but let's open it up and see. Ugh, it's huge, so I would think people would like it, but yeah, I'm hearing bad things about it. So it looks, oh wow, this looks very neutral. You know, one of my sisters is gonna take this. It looks super neutral. Huh. I don't know why people are dragging this. Who knows? It looks cute though. I mean, it's no Hot Kitty Beauty, but just kidding. I own Hot Kitty Beauty for those of you who don't know. HotKittyBeauty.com. Okay, so this is the Barbarella palette. I mean, it looks fine to me. I don't know why people are dragging, but yeah. So that was on top of the styrofoam. So let's see what's underneath. Okay, so I got the eggs, the Beauty Blender eggs, the blending eggs. I have so many sponges now. I was just saying that in another video. I've never had so many sponges in my life. So this, it's like a little egg carton, and this is from Beauty Bakery, which, I mean, you can't beat the packaging. This is just so cute. And their whole theme is baking, so they have the little eggs. So that's really cute, really clever. They feel soft, so I will never run out of sponges. And I'm a brush girl, so it's really funny that I have all these sponges now. Okay, next thing is this glitter Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. And it is glitter, which you guys know I die for glitter. I would die for you. Ooh, let me stop singing. Y'all know I get in trouble for singing on here. Okay, so that's that. And then the next thing is this Plum Plump Deep Hydration Glow Serum Hyaluronic Acid. So this is a serum. So before moisturizer, dispense 2 pumps. Okay, so we'll use this in a skincare Sunday video. So yeah, okay, this is a serum. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, all her stuff was out of her box and it was crazy, like unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that. We thought it was maybe the post office that did it, because it was retaped. So they had like a box cutter And then he took all her, like, it was like taken out of the boxes like this. Like, it was insane. But this is really cute. They left the serum though. But they took her foundation out. I was like, that is horrible. Like, okay, so this is hair product. Okay, guys. So this is a rose quartz hair mask. This is, it loves deeply transcend dry damage and breakage experience. I might actually try this, maybe rose quartz hair mask. I mean, I usually don't like hair products, but we'll give it a whirl. The next thing I got is this Dominique. Let's see what it is. Crush, in the shade Crush. This is creamy fill-in define lip liner. Okay, well, I actually was just gonna buy a lip liner, so that's so funny. Let's see if it shows up on me. This is in the shade Creamy. Barely. It's like a touch darker than my natural lips, but I mean, I probably shouldn't have swatched this. This is literally my natural lip color. That's funny. Okay, we'll put her in the lip liner drawer. I mean, I never buy lip liner, so this I think is what we could pick. I'm probably gonna trade with my, well, I can't trade with my sister because hers got stolen. Oh no, because we were going back between this and the makeup holder, and I was like, I should have got the makeup holder, and I don't know, but yeah, I got this one instead. So this is the ceramic brush. It heats up to 400 degrees, so it's a brush. So I guess if you want to brush out some waves or curls or whatever. I actually don't know why I picked this. I don't know. I picked it. I thought it looked cool. And the last thing I got was this foundation. And you could pick your shades. I picked 3. Did I pick 370? I must have had to, because I think you had to pick your shades. So my sister had, her box said 330, but it was empty because someone stole the foundation, which is crazy. So 370 might be right because she's a little bit paler than me. So, and this is in the Fenty foundation. Let me just do a little dot. Oh, okay, it might be right because this dries darker, I believe. So let's see. Oh, it's covering my veins. Okay. Let's see. It's drying darker. Okay. Can I get away with this? What do you think? Okay. I think I can get away with it. Because look, it dries darker, so maybe. And this is in the shade 370. So let's see. Yeah, we could get away with that for sure. Look. Okay. Okay. All right. And that is the Boxy Luxe for March 2021. I think it was really good. And yeah, I don't have any complaints. I know people were complaining about the palette, but I mean, the thing you have to understand is people love palettes. So I can see why they would put this huge palette in here. And then now it's like, well, the palette's not good. And I'm like, you either want palettes or you don't, okay? So yeah, I had the Walmart beauty box, but honestly, it was really actually horrible. I wouldn't recommend it. So maybe I shouldn't put it on my channel. Honestly, but yeah, so look at the foundation. Oh wow, that looks good. And it covered up my veins. And yeah, Who knew? Okay, guys. So, thanks so much for tuning in. I've truly lost it. I knew I had more to film, y'all. So, I have my Ipsy too. I'm like, I had more to film. Okay, so I have Ipsy, Ipsy Plus. So, let me just open this. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the Ipsy Plus. Okay, so you can like pick some stuff in here. So let's see. So the first thing I got was these brushes. I think they had a brush set for me, and I picked that as my item also because I just love brushes. So I think this is the one. I don't know which is which, but yeah. So anyway, one they picked for me and one I could pick. So I picked brushes because I like brushes. I actually like this one better because I love fluffy brushes, like blending brushes. These I probably won't use that often. I mean, I use these for some things, but like, see, they call this a crease brush, but I would use this as a crease brush. And yeah, I just don't follow what the brushes say. Do what you want to do with your brushes. They had press-ons, which I love press-ons. These are so short though, but they look like kind of a matte white, so that's a cool deal. So since they're matte, I got them because, and they are white. I love white nails on my, you know, dark skin. It looks cool. So, so yeah, and I love press-ons, so duh. So yeah. They smell weird. Okay. Ooh. Next is this is like a body and hand cream. So it's lotion. I love lotion. So I picked this. The choices were stupid though, honestly. And they picked this for me, the Ciate thing. I have one already. And I don't like it. So let me see if I like this shade. I love the idea of liquid shadow, especially when it's, is this the same one I have? No, the one I have is like a little bit green. It's like a pinky kind of green. This is the same one I have. Oops, I swatched it. Oh, shoot. I mean, it's pretty. It's pretty. This is pretty. You could cut your crease with this, you know. Let's see. Okay, this is pretty. I'll give it another chance. I've been using it for inner corner. But yeah, so I think that's the last, yeah, that's the last thing I got. Let me see. What did you guys think of the Ipsy X? I thought it was great. I know some people were dragging it, but I really thought it was great. Okay. I don't know what this is. Yeah, whatever. Okay, guys. So for real this time, till the next video, thanks so much for watching. Bye. Check out my mystery box series to enter all of my giveaways. And yeah, what? $50? They say the palette's $50. The Glow Recipe Plump Ceramic Serum is $42. Fenty Foundation is $36. The Rose Quartz Mask is $31. The Hair Tools is $150. The Blending Eggs is $18. The Lip Pencil is $18. And the Skincare Lip Plumping Gold is $42. Okay. Okay, cool. Actually, this lip liner is kind of growing on me now that I like look at it. It looks kind of like very matte. Very cute. Okay, guys, it's probably like 1 in the morning maybe. I'm a little sleepy, so thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Which do you think was better, the TrendMood Box or the Boxyluxe? And thanks for watching. Till the next video. Bye.